Jimmy.
What?
You know how we have to do the accident report for the Salmonson collision?
Yeah.
Okay, well, he's not helpful. He just keeps saying things about pudding. So
he had an accident with a nail gun, remember? It went right up,
straight up the
lobotomy.
nose, yep. Well, so what I've been doing, I've been dabbling a little bit in forensics. I don't know if I told you this.
What?
Well, just sort of a pastime ever since the scarf making thing didn't really work out.
And I don't even think there's an event for the world's longest scarf. I don't think it's even in the Guinness Book.
Nobody told me. 18 feet. Okay, so what I did was I recreated the entire accident scene. Let me take you through this. So, here is Matt Tufnell. He's waiting at the intersection. Mr. Salmonson is right across. Matt Tufnell is listening to air supply, so we got a pretty safe bet that he is daydreaming.
Yeah.
Okay, school bell goes off. Here come the birds. They get frightened by the school bell. They get in front of his windshield. He guns it and goes straight into Tufnell. Boom, side. There we go. And then, oh boy. That is the front damage on Mr. Salmonson's vehicle.
Where did you get that?
The toy cars in your office.
They're not toy cars. Carl, those are replicas. They're 1/18 scale collectible replicas.
How much do they cost?
They're like $240 for the two, or probably
Each?
closer to 300 all in.
This one.
Oh my God, what did you do to it?
You know what? I got the fender though. I can put this. I don't know.
No, give it to me. I'll weld it back on.
Where do the mufflers go?
That's plastic. I'm just gonna melt that. Those aren't even mufflers, are they?
You know what? That one, that looks like a hood ornament.
We've got to put that tire fire out in the back.